ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? I hope you're well and keeping safe. If you're new here, my name is Ann Ouko of Andy Brand, and I create content around wardrobe makeovers, personal shopping, styling, and generally things to do with fashion and style. And most importantly, I help you guys achieve the most with what you have on your closet. Welcome to today's video. The video is about how to tie head wraps. I love head wraps. I tie them a lot, and they are things that add style and sense to my whole look. They bring color sometimes, and sometimes I just tie them to cover bad hair day. You know those hair days, ladies. Yes, so head wraps comes in handy when my hair is bad, but they do more than covering bad hair day. And so I have few styles that I use as Ann, and I think would be very nice if I share with you the styles and also the way to tie them. Some of you have asked me to do that, and I said I would do it, and so the video has been created from that request as well. Let me know which was your favorite head wrap in the comment section. Which one are you going to try out? And let me just tell you, it might work, it might not work the first, second, or even third time, but if you consistently try them out, it will definitely work out. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, and share this content out. Give the video a thumbs up, and most importantly, let's interact in the comment section. Which ideas or suggestions do you have? Let us talk in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys, so let's keep talking. Thank you very much, and see you on my next video.